John Long Silver here. Welcome again to my channel. My producer director is my grandson. Now we're going to show you a couple projects. This is Scotch-Brite. You want the thin kind, no layers added to it. Just by itself it does a wonderful job cleaning track. However, my friend Doug came up with this idea. This is the Lionel track cleaning car. You cut circles of Scotch-Brite and you fasten it down there. You could also roll it up and tie strip it right there if you wanted to. When you do that to this Lionel track cleaning car, the wheel here spins, and as you can see the grease on there, it really cleans the track. It does a great job. I don't use any track cleaning fluid or anything like that. I could, but I don't. Now, if you need more weight on this thing, you can get some, these penny rolls are 50 pennies too long, but if I took a paper roll and shortened it, I'd have a perfect weight to go in these troughs. I only paid $20 for this track cleaning car at a train show in Tallahassee a while back because it didn't come with all the stuff that it's supposed to come with, but I didn't want the stuff it came with. This is the way I wanted it. And you need a fairly strong engine to push it. You hear that thing spinning? It's doing the job. I left my junkyard in the way, folks. I have to move it now. I figured something like that will always happen. Alright, the junkyard's out of the way. Here we go again. Here we are. Actually, with these penny loads, this car was a bit too heavy even for this powerful engine. You put the weights on it though if you want this to press down tight on the track. Next project I want to show you is my video car. I found this in a junk box. I think it used to be some kind of a launcher thing. 3509. You can't hardly tell, but right across the middle it was popped, broken right in half. And right there's a crack. You can see it down there. I glued it back together. I reinforced it with a styrene square or rectangle. Then I put an old chassis off of some HO thing just to make it look a little more interesting. And repainted it. These were the cheap plastic trucks. When I removed these from a previous car, the heat of the drill wallowed out the plastic. So what you do when that happens is you glue a little washer in there. That makes it round again. And you use the number 6 screw with a lock nut. That way these plastic trucks that were normally held on by plastic rivets and were very wobbly, well, they're not so wobbly anymore. Now, for weight, a screw through a hole and into a traditional fishing sinker, just a slip sinker. You want some weight on this car, and you put a piece of double-sided tape on the car, which you see right there. And you peel that tape off, and you put your GoPro camera right there at a facing that way a little bit. You want to put it at an angle probably so you can see what's going on the side of your layout. Angle it that way. Yeah, it's on. All right, we're gonna roll around the rails here with our camera car made from junk. not going to come off easily. A friend of mine was operating the train at the previous train show, and we did a video using this car. He flipped the car off the track, but the camera never came loose. So that double-sided tape works pretty good for this purpose. Installed. Push it from the back. I think that might have come off the track. I don't know. Ready? Completely installed. I pick it up. Yeah. Camera car on the track. You see it? That part. Well, all right, we had a little derailment.